Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For this video I'm going to be unboxing my new Iron Spider suit from ZentaiZone. So let me open this up so I can show you guys what's inside. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so here's a closer look. Let me just open it up for you guys. So it comes with this like card thingy. And this is the suit. Alright, so I'm going to just put it on for you guys right now so you guys can see what it looks like when I'm wearing it. Alright guys, so here is my face shell with magnetic lenses, and got the battery pack right here, and the remote. So if you press it, it lights up. And this video is going to be about the suit, not the face shell with magnetic lenses. And I'm actually going to make a separate video on the face shell and magnetic lenses. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I actually made a mistake when I was cutting the eye holes on the mask. And I think I made it a little bit too big, because sometimes when I'm wearing the suit, sometimes it would stretch the mask like this, and it would get to a point where it does this, and now you can like see part of the face shell. And if I take this out, you can actually see the face shell, and it's really hard to manage when I'm at a con, because I have to keep like fixing it. But I think I found a way to fix it. Okay, so what I thought of doing is this right here. So I'm gonna be stretching this out and making sure everything's in place, and I'm gonna try to hide the whites as much as I can. And then I'm just gonna tape it to the face shell. So I have my tape right here. And I'm gonna try to hide the tape as best as I can. Hopefully it doesn't show. And then I'm gonna tape it right here. Oh wait. Alright, so I just taped them in place, and I tried to hide the tape as best as I can. But in the inside, this is what it looks like. You can see the black tape right here, and hopefully it holds. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let me just turn on the lights. There you go. So you can't really see the tape, so that's a good sign. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the full suit on, and I don't remember if I got a large or an XL, but I think whatever size I got, I should have gotten one size smaller, because I feel like it needs to be a little bit tighter. But you know what, it's not so bad. So the fit is pretty good. I'll give you a 360 spin. And I can't actually see anything. Like, it's really hard to see. Like, I can barely see anything when the lenses are on. So if I turn it off, I can see better. But when I turn it on, it's just, everything is just blue. Alright, now the flexibility. So I'll just show you the flexibility. I can like raise my hands in the air just like this. You know, I can actually, you know, I can kick. But when I try to bend down, I kind of feel the limit of it. Like it kind of stops stretching. I feel like it's safe, but at the same time, I don't want to do too much because it might break. So, you know, I can like get squat. You know, I could dance. I could do all these like stretches and stuff. You know, I could do this and this, and it's pretty flexible. Yeah, the flexibility is really great. I don't know if I can like do stunts with this because it might break, but definitely good for cosplay. Good for like doing poses and stuff. I think that's what it's meant for. So you know, I can like do all that and this and this. So yep, flexibility is great. Alright, now the accuracy compared to this suit and the one in the movie. Now obviously the one in the movie was not made out of spandex, it was made out of like iron or metal or something, right? Because you could tell that it was really shiny. But what we could compare is the pattern. And I have to say the pattern is pretty accurate. You know, the spider logo, the back, all the details on the arms. But obviously, you know, like all the gold parts and everything, and pretty much the whole suit is just, it's supposed to be shiny, but it's not, because this is just made out of spandex, and there's like almost no way of making it shiny, or at least not that I know of. But as far as the pattern, I think they did a pretty good job with this, and I think that's great. So I'd say the accuracy is pretty good, other than the fact that this suit isn't shiny. So the accuracy, I can say that it's pretty accurate to the one in the movie. Alright, so I recently went to Toronto Comic Con last weekend, and a bunch of people took pictures of me, so that was pretty cool. There was a bunch of kids, and that was awesome. And my favorite was this little girl. She was dressed up as Vanellope Von Schweetz from Wreck-It Ralph. So she was walking with her dad, and she came up to me and I asked for a hug, and then we let go, and then she walked away, and I'm like, wait, come back, we gotta take a picture. And then we took a picture, and then she went off, and that was just my favorite. And there was also this other kid who took a picture with me and then walked off, and then he came back like 2 or 3 more times, and the last time that he came back, he was actually trying to pull me like, oh, come home with us, and I'm like, oh no, I'm sorry, I can't. Well, he didn't really say anything, but he was just trying to pull me to like go with him. So I thought that was adorable as well, and I just thought it would be cool to share the story with you guys. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Took a lot of pictures. There was a lot of kids there, too many to count. And yeah, I got a lot of compliments. People told me that my lenses were cool, so that was awesome. And I can't wait to wear this to the next con. And now the material quality. Now it feels really thin, but it still feels like a good material quality. It hasn't ripped yet. I've had my other suits, like my other Spider-Man suits, I've had them ripped and I had to sew it back, so this one hasn't ripped yet, and I really hope it doesn't. But if it does, I can just sew it back, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But I'd say the material's pretty good. I mean, I don't really know the difference between good material and bad material, but I could say that this material is it's good for cosplay. It's not like meant for doing stunts, because if you want to do like flips and stuff, you're gonna have to like, you know, you're gonna have to do this and stuff. You're gonna have to do a lot of flexing, and at some point it's probably gonna rip. But for just for cosplay purposes, I think this material is perfect. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm also going to be doing a separate video on the face shell with magnetic lenses, so if you guys want to see that, be sure to subscribe. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.